It's silent, it flies for hours, and when it strikes, you never see it coming. This is not science fiction. This is modern warfare. From spy drones to kamikaze bots, today's wars are being fought by machines. But how do these things actually work? Let's break it down. First things first. What even is a drone? Technically, it's called a UAV, an unmanned aerial vehicle. Think of it as a flying robot. Some are remote-controlled. Others fly completely on their own. They get off the ground using two main methods: wings, like a plane, or spinning rotors, like a helicopter. That's the aerodynamics, the shape and lift that lets them stay airborne. For power, most military drones use electric motors fueled by lithium batteries. Larger ones, the big boys, run on combustion engines or jet turbines for serious range and firepower. And how do they know where to go? That's the brain. GPS plus AI plus sensors equals autonomous flight. Gyroscopes, barometers, vision systems. They constantly calculate wind speed, altitude, and terrain. Whether it's dodging trees or tracking a convoy, it's all happening in real time. Before the first shot is fired, the drone is already watching. Reconnaissance drones like the RQ-4 Global Hawk fly as high as 60,000 feet, almost twice as high as commercial jets. From up there, they see everything, and their secret: synthetic aperture radar. It uses the drone's own motion to build detailed images, even through clouds or darkness. And it's not just pictures. They stream encrypted live video to command centers thousands of miles away. Now let's talk about firepower. Combat drones are flying weapon platforms. The MQ-9 Reaper? It's basically a flying sniper, strapped with Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. It locks onto a target using something called a targeting pod, a bundle of sensors that sees in infrared, tracks heat, and pinpoints exact distances. And the human pilot might be sitting in a container back in Nevada. A satellite uplink lets them steer, aim, and strike in near real time. It's remote war, precision strikes, from the other side of the world. Now let's talk about loitering munitions, the suicide drones. They're kamikazes with a computer brain. Loitering munitions, like Israel's Harop, don't return home. Their job is to fly, wait, and destroy. They hunt radars, the electronic eyes of enemy defenses. These drones sniff out specific radio frequencies, then use signal analysis to spot the real radars from the decoys. Once locked on, they dive hard, exploding on impact, no human needed. India reportedly used them near Pakistan's borders, disabling key air defense assets with zero boots on the ground. Lastly, we will discuss swarm drones. Imagine this: hundreds of drones flying like birds, not randomly, but together, talking to each other, coordinating attacks. That's a swarm. Each drone in the swarm is smart, thanks to decentralized AI. No central command, just local decisions, shared instantly between the swarm. If one drone detects a threat, all of them adapt. They can split into squads, flank, or dodge jamming systems. Think of it like a digital flock, agile, deadly, and impossible to stop. And in a few years, these swarms may be the first wave of every war. From high-tech scouts to flying assassins, drones are no longer the future. They're the present, and the battlefield will never be the same. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to Crumbs, because this is just the beginning.